consistency kasi it's hard to be consistent from start to end lalo sa soap when you're shooting every day. So parang being consistent is really a challenge. I'm sure not just for me but for all of us. So yeah.
Thank you.
If I'd be honest,
Go.
Sorry, bro. Thank you. Kung magiging honest lang siguro talaga ako, ang fear lang talaga is...
So, hindi ka honest kanina?
Hindi are you?
Wala pa kasi level na yung kanina eh. Pero kung, ano talaga eh, concern instead of fear, is that kung di kami magkakaroon ng connection as actors with our directors, or siyempre, hindi namin ma-express yung gusto ng writers kung walang communication sa atin. It's all about communication and understanding. An actor's job is to understand.
Sila play film.
Ako, can I be honest dito? Hindi, nung nalaman ko si Jericho na naman, may takot ako. Kasi Jericho mahal na naman. Pero alam ko ibang combination din namin. Wow!
Oo, tama yun. Makapaggawa ka ng something new sa character mo. Pag di mo pag mukha pa rin yung katulad ng dating soap, ganyan. Ay, sorry. Hindi, di ba, parang nakakatakot, especially pag soap or TV series, ang haba ng panahon, you really need guidance from your directors. That's, the people that create the story. Para mas maganda yung kalalabasan. Ikaw, Pablo, you wanna be honest?
Please be honest.
Honest naman ako lang.
Yay!
Hindi ko lang sinasabi lahat. Honest ako.
Okay, next. Okay.
Thank you po sa question.
Alex.
Hi, good afternoon, Alex Lisa. I have a question for the directors and the cast. Kasi yung character ni si Maha and Jericho, na-build na yung rapport nila dun sa previous soap. And then with Paolo coming in, are we expecting a darker Paolo para ma-break yung bond na parang nakita namin sa Legal Wife? And then sa mga cast, si Maha lang ba yung magpapasexy dito? Or are we excited?
Magtutupi sa kote.
Okay, to answer that question, siyempre, nung si Paul was on board na, and he'll be playing a very conflicting na character. So, well, it takes a lot of discussion din yan. It takes a lot of nurturing din sa script kung how do we attack it. Kasi, ang importante palagi pa rin na ma-maintain yung charm niya. And that's the mandate talaga na hindi pwedeng maging sobrang dark or maging sobrang brooding yung ano niya, yung character, na dapat maging sympathetic pa rin siya, and at the same time, it has an appeal din pa rin sa audience. So, mahabang discussion yan. In fact, ang dami rin dinaanan ng mga, ang dami rin mga references para lang ma-pinpoint yung character niya. But the surprising thing na we realized that hindi na namin kailangan na lumayo, no? So we could always see marami kaming makitang layer and sa personality ni Paolo that really fits the role then. So I think that's the nice one then. And yun naman ang consolation mo as a director na mapin down mo yung character and you start na maging exciting sa kanila. But it takes a lot of prowess then from the creative team again to develop it.
Just to add to the rest of Richard Thomas, the best thing about this show is the three actors we have here. Si Jericho, si Maha, si Paolo, they're really good. So, yung mga tanong nila sa amin as directors, actually, they already know what they're doing in terms of separating themselves as a character, yung role nila sa previous teleseries nila. So, hindi na siya mahirap. And the beauty about them, especially Paolo's character, no, hindi lang siya interacting with them too. Yung support cast namin is actually really good too. Sina Carmina Villaruel at si Edo Manzano, nag-revolve yung world nila other than themselves, silang tatlo. So, and even si Gael or si Jericho, may Anthony Tost tayo na sina Halu Chan. So, medyo iba siya in terms of yung relationships. Hindi siya yung simpleng three characters lang na alalabanan ko sa isang babae. May iba pang taong umiikot sa mundo nila. Bridging the three of them, pag-develop ng telecentric.
May add lang.
Kasi this is my personal na view and this is my personal na look on these three beautiful actors. Nurturing and captivating yung characters nila. It's really like a painting. There should be harmony with colors. So regardless kung brilliant sila in their own separate ways, pag hindi mo makuha yung tamang harmony, it will gonna fail. No? But what happened with this, and most especially sa tatlo sa kanila, there's already harmony in terms of character, and at the same time, yung acting nila nandun na, and at the same time, the personal din ng mga ugali. So I think that's the best thing na i-discover mo sa pag-build ng show na to.
Okay, thank you. Okay ka na, Alex? Okay, so next question po. And si Jeman.
Hello po. Kukuha lang ako nung mga lines na na-mention sa trailer kanina. Tatlo yung naisip ko eh. So, ano yung nagpapangiti sa inyo doing these bridges of love?
Galing.
Second, naniniwala ba kayo na may presyo ang bawat tao? And third, kung babayaran kayo, may mag-offer ng line ni Paolo, how will you react to that?
First question.